Air pollution kills over 7 million people every year. Everyone has the right to breathe clean air, but nowadays we are facing an increase in problems associated with air quality. Today, we see more people wearing masks on a daily basis, but many of these masks do not work well and they lack the elegance and design for long-term use. Disposable masks have leakage problems. N95 masks are hard to fit, uncomfortable to wear, and sometimes difficult to breathe in. Despite the urgency of wearing a mask, what if you could have a mask that is comfortable to wear and protects you with a tailored fit? What if you could wear it out of pleasure like a pair of sunglasses? To fulfill such a desire, we have been working for the last 2 years to take advantage of AI, computational design, and 3D printing to provide a bespoke mask experience for everyone. Introducing the Nero 3D Mask, a fully 3D printed mask which is tailored to your fit so that you can be fully protected in style. The process is simple. Follow our online smart guide, and we will take your measurement and generate a bespoke design that fits you. The model will be printed through our trusted partner, Shapeways, in New York City and delivered to your door. Our process creates the perfect fit so that the mask can rest comfortably and minimize any potential for leakage. We use replaceable N95 filters to stop 99% of micropollutant particles so that you can breathe and enjoy fresh filtered air. Our masks are designed in a way to allow complete freedom to talk and express yourself without feeling muffled or constrained. It is your mask and your style, so you can label it with a customized message and even print it in your favorite color. Everyone has the right to breathe clean air. With our mask, we hope that we can help with this by delivering a comfortable and bespoke experience for everyone. Partner with us today to help make this a reality.